After the age of 50, the body gradually undergoes several metabolic changes. Kidney function may slowly decline, blood pressure can become more difficult to control, and long-term dietary habits begin to have a greater effect on kidney health. The kidneys play a critical role in maintaining the body's internal balance. They filter waste products from the blood, regulate fluid levels, control electrolyte balance, and help maintain healthy blood pressure. Inside the kidneys are millions of microscopic filtering units, called nephrons. These tiny structures are responsible for removing toxins and excess substances from the bloodstream. Over time, factors such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, processed foods, and chronic inflammation can damage kidney cells and reduce filtration efficiency. While no single food can repair the kidneys instantly, certain nutrient-rich foods contain antioxidants, vitamins, and plant compounds that may help support kidney cell protection and reduce inflammatory stress. In this video, we will explore 6 foods that may help support kidney cell health when included as part of a balanced diet after 50. 1. Garlic. Garlic has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It contains sulfur compounds such as allicin that may help reduce oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress can damage many tissues, including the delicate filtering structures of the kidneys. Antioxidants in garlic help neutralize free radicals, protecting cells from damage. Garlic may also help support healthy blood pressure levels. Since high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage, maintaining proper circulation is extremely important for kidney protection. Another advantage of garlic is that it can be used to enhance flavor without adding sodium. Reducing salt intake is one of the most effective ways to reduce kidney strain. 2. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and important vitamins such as vitamin E and vitamin K. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. Healthy blood circulation is essential for proper kidney function. The kidneys rely on steady blood flow to filter toxins effectively. Avocados also contain antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative damage. Stable metabolic health and improved circulation can help reduce stress on kidney tissues. However, because avocados contain potassium, individuals with advanced kidney disease should consult a healthcare professional before consuming large amounts. 3. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are among the most antioxidant-rich fruits available. They contain plant compounds known as anthocyanins, which give berries their deep color and powerful health benefits. Anthocyanins help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. These effects may help protect kidney cells from damage caused by chronic metabolic stress. Berries are also relatively low in sodium and contain fiber that supports healthy blood sugar control. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is important because high blood glucose can gradually damage kidney filtration units. Including a small serving of berries regularly may help support overall kidney health. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable packed with vitamins, minerals, and plant antioxidants. It provides vitamin C, folate, magnesium, and important phytochemicals that help reduce inflammation. Leafy greens help support metabolic balance and improve overall nutrient intake. Adequate intake of vitamins and minerals helps support cellular repair and healthy immune function. Spinach also contains nitrates that may help support blood vessel health and circulation. Improved circulation can benefit organs such as the kidneys that depend on strong blood flow. For individuals with certain kidney conditions requiring potassium restriction, portion control may be necessary. 5. Eggs. Eggs provide high-quality protein and essential amino acids that support tissue repair throughout the body. Protein is necessary for maintaining muscle mass and cellular regeneration. Unlike heavily processed meats, eggs provide protein without excessive sodium or preservatives. This makes them a better option for individuals trying to reduce kidney strain. Eggs also contain important nutrients such as vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, which support metabolic processes and cellular health. Moderate protein intake is important for maintaining overall health while avoiding excessive metabolic burden. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense vegetable rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and plant antioxidants. It contains compounds such as sulforaphane, which have been studied for their potential anti-inflammatory and detoxification supporting effects. Sulforaphane helps activate natural cellular defense systems that protect cells from oxidative damage. These protective mechanisms may help reduce stress on organs, including the kidneys. Broccoli is also relatively low in calories and sodium, making it a healthy addition to kidney-supportive diets. Including cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli regularly can help support overall metabolic balance. Why diet matters for kidney health after 50. Kidney health is strongly influenced by long-term lifestyle habits. Diets high in processed foods, excessive sodium, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats can increase blood pressure and metabolic stress, which gradually damages kidney filtration structures. On the other hand, diets rich in whole foods, vegetables, fruits, healthy fats, and balanced protein provide nutrients that help support cellular protection and reduce inflammation. Small daily dietary improvements can significantly influence kidney health over time. Important safety note: individuals with chronic kidney disease, elevated creatinine levels, or specific mineral restrictions should consult a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes. Certain foods may need to be limited depending on kidney function. Personalized dietary guidance is essential for safe nutrition in advanced kidney conditions. Conclusion: after the age of 50, protecting kidney health becomes increasingly important. While no food can instantly repair kidney damage, certain nutrient-rich foods provide antioxidants, vitamins, and plant compounds that help support kidney cell protection. Garlic, avocado, berries, spinach, eggs, and broccoli are examples of foods that may help reduce inflammation, support circulation, and promote metabolic balance. When combined with proper hydration, reduced sodium intake, regular physical activity, and balanced nutrition, these foods can contribute to long-term kidney health. Consistent healthy habits remain one of the most effective ways to protect kidney function as we age.